Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an avatar for Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to personalize your presence in meetings and make your virtual interactions more engaging, especially when you don't want to use your camera. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams and logging into your account. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding to the next steps. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation panel. Look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. This section houses all the additional features and integrations available in Teams. When reading the App section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Avatar and hit Enter. The search results will display the Avatar app for Teams. When you see it appear, go ahead and click Add. This installs the avatar feature into your Teams account, making it accessible whenever you need it. Now navigate back to the left side of your screen where you'll notice three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on those three dots, and from the menu that appears, select Avatars. This takes you directly into the avatar creation interface where all the customization magic happens. You'll now be presented with two options for creating your avatar. You can either choose Create from Base, which starts you off with a generic template, or Create from Photo, which uses an actual photo of yourself as a starting point. For this example, let's click on Create from Base. This gives you complete creative control from scratch. A selection of base avatars will appear on your screen. Browse through them and pick one that you feel best represents you or the style you're going for. Once you've made your choice, click Save and Customize. This unlocks all the detailed customization tools. Start by choosing a skin color that matches your preference. You'll see a range of tones to select from. Once you've set the skin tone, look at the top of the screen and click the face icon. This allows you to adjust facial features like eyes, nose, mouth, and overall face shape. Take your time here to get the details just right. Next, click on the hair icon to customize the hairstyle. You can choose different styles, colors, and lengths to match your look or try something completely new. After you're satisfied with the hair, click the makeup icon. This lets you add or adjust facial makeup elements such as eyeshadow, lipstick, or other cosmetic touches. Now move on to the body icon to customize the body type and structure of your avatar. You can adjust proportions and body shape to better reflect your appearance or desired style. Finally, click the shirt icon to select and adjust the clothing. Choose from various shirt styles, colors, and patterns to complete your avatar's outfit. Once you're happy with all your customizations, click Finish Customizing at the top of the screen. And that's it. Your personalized Microsoft Teams avatar is now ready to use in meetings and chats. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.